Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from Sport RX, and I'm here with my friend Todd Woods, professional fisherman and Costa ambassador, to talk about the best hooks for bass fishing. What you got, Todd?
All right, well, I got a lot of hooks here, a lot of different rigging techniques, and a lot of different size baits. You have to have the right hook for the right situation, you know, and for using different worms. You can see there's a variety of plastics here. You know, we have your swim bait, your jerk worm, your basic drop shot or Texas worm, and then your Ned worm or Ned Rig. And so you need different hooks, and we will start with the this is kind of a new technique that's come out, this Ned, it's called a Ned Rig. And it's a unique bait because it doesn't look like much, just a little worm that just kind of stands up when you reel it in.
Yeah.
And so this is a Ned head that you have to have on there, and it's pretty small, pretty compact, pretty easy to rig. And there's that one.
I know Ned, we go way back.
Do Ned?
Yeah, Ned's cool, he's good people.
Ned Flanders?
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So that's, all right, what's
and
next?
That's what the hook looks like.
Oh, this is without
the...
Oh, very cool. It's got like a
little catch on there.
All right.
Keep it from falling off, sliding down. And then a drop shot. This is a drop shot hook that you would use in open water if there weren't any weeds. That's your basic drop shot hook.
This is like the basic hook you kind of think of when you think of a fishing hook.
Yes.
All right.
And also for drop shotting, but if there are like weeds or trees and you want to make it weedless, this is a rigging hook made by Owner. And as you can see, you can run your finger across here and you won't get it caught, because you want to make sure you have it hooked weedless so you don't get it caught in trees. And that's a weedless version rigging hook.
Nice.
And that's a Texas rig, basically Texas rig style. This is a extra wide gap used for jerk worms, and again, you just hook it like Texas style. We call it Texposed, where the hook is just barely kind of sticking out.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. And that's your basic EWG, stands for extra wide gap. It's got a big gap in it.
Right.
Your swim bait hook with the weighted, it's a weighted swim bait hook. And what's unique about this that you can't really see, but I'll show you, there's a little spring on there, and the spring, you screw the bait on there, that way it doesn't come off.
Wow.
Yeah. Check that out.
Very cool.
Like a spring swim bait hook.
Is that everything?
That's pretty much everything.
So those are the best hooks for bass fishing from Todd.
Hooks.
All right, thank you everyone for watching. If this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Later.